This is no Ten Shop iChannel. We are here at Lucas Moripe Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Sekhukhune United 0. My brother, how's it?
Sure.
I'm not.
No, I do not. I'm not the 80th goal.
What's happening?
I'm not the 80th goal because what we are fearing all along is now facing us.
Really?
So it's up to us to unite. As you know us,
Yeah.
we must unite as the whole 15 teams and support Kaizer Chiefs.
GNU.
GNU.
Yeah.
Because if now we are going to say let Chiefs go alone, Sundowns is going to kill our league. People they don't see that. Our league will be a farmer league because of Sundowns. So guys, let's unite Orlando Pirates, all the teams, and stop the dominance of Sundowns. And by saying this, I'm not saying like I hate Sundowns. They are playing good football, but we must stop what Sundowns is doing to our league. Because now the league is useless. Because now even I'm here to support Sekhukhune, I know Sundowns will win.
Exactly.
You understand?
Exactly. Yeah.
So I don't want to comment about the game of today. It was poor. The first half was poor. Sekhukhune United were supposed to win this game. I don't know what happened. They were lucky. That is why most of the time I'm saying, I think Sundowns they are playing with a snake, man. That goal, it was only 2 minutes left. They score a goal. You understand? They were not playing the first time. Even the second half, they were not playing. So, guys, you know me as much as the president of GNU, Government of Unity, in football. Let's all be united and support Kaizer Chiefs on the 12th and 13th when we are going to play Sundowns. You know, the football is heartless. Now, this community, the Sundowns is heavy now. They can be disappointed, I'm telling you. What happened at FNB? They were disappointed. So, football is heartless. Don't say you're going to win a game and not play that day. Go to the game, support the game, and win that day. You understand? Football is heartless. Kaizer Chiefs is a team. We are practicing. Even us, we want to win. We can't go to Loftus and say we are going to win against Sundowns. So Sundowns, they must stop with that confidence of them. It must end here at Lucas Moripe Stadium. When you go there, it's a new ball game. It's a Kaizer Chiefs. It's a big team. You understand?
Sorry for interjection. You are saying they must do that only here. The next game against you, they are here. Are you saying they must do that here?
No, that game is supposed to go to Loftus, not here. We don't qualify to play here. We're a big team. We're a number one supporter fan base. We don't qualify to play here. This stadium is not in good condition. You understand? So they must take the game to Loftus Stadium. We're going to meet there.
The problem is that what if the Blue Blues are playing there?
No, they must start to organize now. The game is going to play on the 12th and the 13th. They must organize and talk to the Blue Bulls. No, we want them that side.
They are the main landlords there.
No, if it's like this, then we are going to come to this side. But in my wish, I don't want to play them this side. This side is poor. They know. Understand? So I'm saying to Kaizer Chiefs supporters, let's not be intimidated by Sundowns supporters. We are still a big team, even though we are not performing. We must not be intimidated. This confidence of Sundowns must end. You understand? So Paganeya, all the teams, please, but come and support us the way we did that side at FNB. We're with the Orlando Pirates. So now we want their support. Thank you.
Thanks, brother.